74 Charger. These little pins used to be on there, and what they did is they just heated them up and expanded them and pounded them on there. Unfortunately, over the years, they broke loose. These pieces are impossible to find. So what we're doing is we're taking some steel stick, one of the best things on earth, JB Weld. This stuff does everything. It gets hard as a rock steel, and it's hard to break. You can actually use this and re-drill it out and re-tap it. JB Weld, great job. One of your best products you ever produced. Thank God you're in business. So what we're doing is you got to knead it together and get it even conform. It comes in two parts. It's epoxy, dark gray, and the light gray. So you got to get it kneaded up to the right color. Then you know it's mixed correctly. And because you can't weld this, I mean, a guy possibly could, but it's really not worth the hassle. And the TIG, you'd have to use a TIG on it. And if you could get it, odds are stuff is going to get warped. You surely don't want warped chrome on your car. So that's what we're doing. We're just putting a little dab on top where the pins actually were. And we're going to dab this pin. Just get a nice even conformity to it. And then put this right back where it belongs. Let's get it pressed in there good. And because this stuff is so hard and so sticky, put a little dab over the top. Get it sealed up good. So this is working just like welding without the heat and without the problems. I'm trying to get this conformed halfway decent in there, but even if it isn't, like I said, you can weld form this. You can take a little grinder and just touch it, get it where it should be. But once this stuff hardens, you can do anything. I've got it formed that are good enough, so it shouldn't really let loose. Just a huge trick for little pieces like this, especially when you can't find them. I mean, and if you did find them, somebody's going to want $1 million for it. And granted, the car's nice. We love the car. How much money is the car worth? It's worth whatever somebody wants to pay for it. So do you want to bury yourself in a car? No, you don't. Now this one here is actually missing one. There was never one on there. And you could tell because this part here was actually bouncing on the top of the panel, and it had scraped the panel enough, it was starting to rust there. So we're actually going to get a piece of sheet metal. Unfortunately, I don't have any today, and we're going to make one of these. Pretty simple. Just a little bent piece of metal, drill it out, and we'll do the same thing we did on this one. And you got a good conformity. We'll use some two-sided tape inside here to help finish it up. We should be good forever. Thanks for watching.